Welcome to yet another video of the Desi Gift Unboxing. Before we start, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our video.
And click on the bell icon to know when the next video is happening.
And remember to subscribe on our channel because that is what helps us grow.
And do follow us on Twitter and Instagram. So what do we have today to unbox?
Today we have a surprise for all the men out there. We have a subscription box for men's clothing from Crate.
Oh, so I think I have had enough gifts in the last few weeks. It's your turn now.
Yeah, finally.
Okay, so without much talk, let's bring out the gift.
Yeah, let's start with the unboxing.
So here we go. This is our Crate Men's curated box that we have got here.
Yeah. Before we begin, this is a Crate subscription. It costs $14.99 per month,
Okay.
and with delivery, it will cost you $15.73. You can also go for monthly, like this I have curated for 1 month, but you can go for more than 1 month packages also.
Okay, so let's see what's inside.
Yeah. So Crate gives you various options that you would want. They will give you trendy, or you want whatever, like the style of clothing that you want, but there is also an option where Crate decides it for you. So I have gone for the option where Crate decides for you.
Okay, so I think there must be some kind of profile that you need to make in order to, receive the products that you want.
Yes, you give all your the vitals that you need, your sizes that you need to
Exactly.
for the clothes, and then you choose what type of clothes you want, or you can ask Crate to curate it for you.
Great. So if you are confused about what kind of clothes you need to wear, you can subscribe to this box.
Yes, and they will call you the day you place your order. The next day they will call you, they will talk to you, they will understand your fashion, and based on that they will send out your box.
Okay, so it's the whole packaging that you are getting.
Yes. The first thing that I can see is a thank you letter from Crate, and it just thanks you for purchasing their box.
Okay.
And they also give you a 20% off on a men's skincare brand, PHY.
Awesome.
Okay. We have the box out here. First
Okay.
thing that we have over here is socks.
Quite colorful with the blue and yellow
Yeah.
combination.
Colorful.
I think you can, this is perfect for offices because the yellow would be hidden in your toes.
Yes. These are long socks. Long socks.
Okay. Cotton.
Yeah.
Course.
Material looks good. Yeah. Stretchable. Nice.
Nice.
I like this socks. I'm definitely wearing this socks. Okay.
So the next one is, I think it's an anti-hair fall kilt from Man Matters. Okay, so they have a shampoo and a serum. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Very useful if you are having hair fall problems.
Okay. So yeah, here we have got a hair strengthening serum and an anti-hair fall shampoo. So quite good.
Yeah, nice, useful.
Yeah, and cute packaging, by the way. Great.
Okay. So moving on. So we had the socks, we had the products.
Anti-hair fall kit.
This we have a shirt
Okay.
with Chinese collar.
Let's open and see.
So this is a shirt, white with stripes. It's a nice shirt with the Chinese collar. It's modern fit, and
Let's check out the sleeves.
yeah, it is long sleeves.
Okay.
Long sleeves. I think perfect for an office wear.
Formal wear.
Yeah. Nice. Very nice white with stripes. It's nice color. I like it. Yeah.
Okay. So what's next?
And like with that, the full attire you get. So you get the shirt, you get the socks, and the pant. So this looks like a formal pant. It's made out of like, feels like jeans.
Yeah, very soft cotton
Yeah.
jeans.
Very soft cotton jeans. It is a chinos. So yeah, it's a formal fit jeans.
Yeah, and it comes in this dark blue color, which also is the perfect for formal attire.
Yeah, so it's a like a modern formal attire that they have sent.
Absolutely. And one thing I'm noticing is that the brand they have sent is Alpha for both the shirt and the pants.
Yeah, it's of the same brand.
Okay. So far we have got a formal pant, formal shirt, and socks. So the only thing missing are the shoes, I think.
Yeah. But if you see, it's also very well fashioned. If you see the white with the blue stripes, the dark blue stripes here matches the pant with the blue socks. So it's a complete.
Yeah, it's a well matched
design.
product.
Yeah. It's a nice attire that you can like have a new attire every month from them.
Yeah, and since it comes in both the trousers for the shirt, so it's all perfectly matched and it's all perfectly comes in a combo.
It's styled.
Yeah,
It's
styled. You won't have to think what to wear with the shirt. You won't have to think what to wear with the pants. So they have all thought of it.
Yeah, they've curated one complete look and sent.
Yeah, and as a bonus, you are also getting this anti-hair fall kit. So I
Yeah.
think you might need it.
Yeah, it can be very useful.
Yes.
With that, I think it's time to review this entire gift box.
Okay.
I think if you know the person, this is a complete look for them, a complete nice gift for them, or like for yourself. Like if I would like want a complete look from a designer for myself, I can always go to Crate, order them, and get this complete box. Like from top to bottom, everything is well designed out
Matched.
and put inside a box.
Okay.
So in that way, it's a very wonderful box, and the price is also not much. Like within 1500, you get a shirt, you get a pant, you get the socks. It's a very well curated box. What do you feel?
So I think it's best if you order for yourself, because in that case there won't be any confusion about the sizes. But if you're ordering for somebody else, you must keep in mind that you give the correct sizes.
Yeah.
So it's a good anniversary gift. It's a good Valentine's Day gift, a birthday gift. And if you
Yeah.
don't want the hassle of going out and shopping yourself, so you can always order from their website.
Yeah. And even if you're shopping for yourself, sometimes it's always important, or I won't say important, sometimes it's very useful when somebody has styled you. So this is
Yeah.
like already a curated style that you're getting, where the t-shirt, the pant, and the sock, everything is matched. So it's when you get a complete look, it's always helps.
Yeah, it's basically a third party perspective.
Yeah, nice, wonderful, I'll say. So if you have to review it out of 5 stars, what will you give?
Considering the products, I'll give it a 4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay, for me this is a 4.5 out of 5. It's a beautiful box, very useful. I'll only take the 0.5 stars out of it because of the packaging,
Yes.
which could have been better. But Crate is very very helpful. Like within, like when you place your order, they will call you the next day. Within 3 to 4 days you'll get your delivery. So it's very well managed, and I love Crate's service.
Yeah, and from now on, I think I love it too.
Yeah. So with that, we have come to the end of yet another video. But before leaving, please remember to like, share, and comment on this video.
Click on the bell icon to remain notified.
And please remember to subscribe on this channel, because that is what helps us grow.
And follow us on Twitter and Instagram. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.